Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to send stickers in the Messenger app on your PC. Stickers are a fun way to express yourself and add some personality to your messages. Let's get started. First, open up the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. You should see your recent conversations displayed right on the main screen. Next, find the chat where you want to send a sticker. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a group chat, just scroll through your list of conversations and click on the one you want to send a sticker to. Once you're in the chat, look at the bottom of the conversation window, where you'll see the text input box. Right next to it, there's an icon of a smiley face, which is the sticker icon. Click on that to open up a selection of stickers. Now that the sticker menu is open, browse through the available stickers. You can scroll or search for a specific sticker. Once you find the one you like, simply click on it. The sticker will automatically be sent to the chat. That's it. You've just sent a sticker in Messenger on your PC. It's a quick and fun way to brighten up your conversations and add some extra flair to your messages. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.